Hi Marwa. Hello. I asked the girl earlier while we were walking. I said, what can you see? One of them said, I can see grass. The other one said, Mom, I can see you. Okay, he takes them to a nice place like this, and then this is what you get. But yeah.
J'entends des chansons, bras dessus.
It's only 40 minutes from Nîmes to the Cévennes National Park. It's beautiful. We drove through it for about 15-20 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
Through the park,
Yeah,
and then we saw this amazing spot. It's like a stream with a waterfall. You can see the waterfall behind us there. Is that it?
La mer. La mer. La mer, on va danser le long des golfes.
Nîmes is southwest of France.
Yeah. Definitely worth a visit for much longer. We're here for 3 nights.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's just so much.
We've been inspired that the next step after this is camping, you know?
Yeah.
Probably not a tent, maybe a caravan.
Yeah.
We're not yet ready for the tent, but...
Oh, you didn't put your shoes?
No, I can't be bothered.